So this lady came in on Saturday with neck pain, arm pain, back pain, chest pain, low back pain, headache, and pain down the legs. She had an initial consultation. She had a report of finding, and she had her first adjustment later in the day on Saturday. How have you been since Saturday?
Much better. The pain was like a number 8. Now it's number 3. I can do everything slowly. I still feel the pain, but it's not like it was before.
This is a very interesting example of if you diagnose fast and you get the right treatment modalities in place, then you can get very, very fast symptomatic relief. Take a big breath in.